Hey, I'm Shibomi from Parliament Leads, and in this video, I'll be explaining and giving you step by step on how to set up a connected campaign. So, in setting up a connected campaign, again, first things first, you're gonna log into Ulink first of all. So, once you're logged into Ulink, you click on whatever campaign that might be active. So, when you click on it, then you're gonna navigate to the connector search bar, or you can actually press this one to take you directly. But let's go to the connector right here. So yeah, this actually allows you to start a new marketing or outreach campaign. So you can put the name of the campaign you want, or you can come here and you can copy existing campaign in order to in order for you to duplicate its configuration. So you can just come here, and because there's no existing campaign, we don't have anything to duplicate. But let's just assume, then you come here, you click on it. So once that's been clicked and you're done, you click on create new connector campaign. So once that has been done, yeah, you're gonna like define the giving. I mean, you're gonna configure the connector because once you click this, it's gonna take you to the connector messages. So you're gonna draft the messages in a profound way. You're obviously not gonna pitch or sell out anything. You're just going to um, try to say something that's gonna build a relationship with your clients instead of trying to persuade them to buy a particular offer. I mean, a particular service you got. So the goal is just basically for you to build a relationship with them, and also make sure while you are drafting the messages, you ensure that it's written like it's gonna be written in a normal text on WhatsApp, like no email formatting, just plain text, no additional paragraphs, or just make everything just be like in a plain text, no space or anything like that. So yeah. So once that been done, you're gonna see follow ups. In case if they don't request the first connector message, you can send a follow up maybe 2 days or 3 days after. I mean, you just follow the sequence depending on whatever you want. Then you follow the sequence, and you also send a follow up message regarding the connector request, connection request. So that's basically all for um, setting up a connector campaign. So after we're done with that, you want to test the connector. So you run a test, then you verify data is syncing correctly. So after that is been done, then you confirm automation triggers work. Then after all, you're gonna launch the campaign right away after you finished everything. Launching a campaign is always in this segment, but it's right here. You're just gonna click on the toggle bar. You just click on it to turn it on, and it's not that much of a technical stress. So that's just the easy way to set up a connector campaign on Ulink. Yeah. All right. See you on the next video.